All right, folks, we're back with you, me and Mike. It's Christmas. When parts come in, it's Christmas.
That means I gotta work.
Let's go see what we got. Oh, look at all that cool stuff.
I don't know what's in the boxes.
Organization. Organization.
That's the boys.
Ah, what we got? What's in this box?
It rattles. What we got in here? Oh, parts for the die van. Pulley system. That'll work pretty good.
That's for the
Caravan.
soccer dad van.
Yeah.
The belt keeps flying off, and this is supposed to make it quit flying off. Let's hope it does.
Seems like it will.
What's in this box? It's tore all pieces.
Oh, there's your fog lights for the caravan.
Fog lights!
For the soccer van. All right, looks like I'm putting stuff together today.
What about the big box?
Oh, let's find out.
That's got Lincoln Road all over it. Ooh. Ooh, looky there. Wow.
All right. We didn't want that to fall off, that's for sure.
That's supposed to be a factory 4-barrel carburetor for a 73 Lincoln Continental. 460. I want to go back as original as I could, so we'll see how this works out. So, Mike, any idea what you need to do today?
Yeah. I already got my agenda. Right here.
Right here. Christmas! All right.